So hello guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. Yes. So today, spend a day with us. Just nothing much. And here actually we have the juice. We have the watermelon. Yes, we have the watermelon there. We have the watermelon here. And here we have our blender. So we want to blend the watermelon. I want to blend watermelon for my baby. I want him to drink some juice of watermelon. So let's blend the juice. And first of all, I have actually made lunch for him. Yes, so he's going to have them ugali. You see how small that ugali is. So he's going to have some ugali and milk today. He's going to have it with milk. Yes, he's going to have it with milk. But first, I want to blend this juice first. Yes, kindly stay tuned. Stay tuned and also subscribe to the channel. I'm not going to mix it with anything else. I just want him to drink fresh melon juice plain. Yes. Aonje juice ya melon ikiwa peke yake, so the next time nikimix na kitu gine awe anajua taste. Yes. So am I going to add some little water? Let's add some little water in it. Yeah. Let's add some little water in it. I don't want it to lose sugar. Yes, because it has sugar in it. That is where we are going to blend our juice. Baba, kau punya juice. Toto punya juice. Vizuri. Now there is okay. Wait, you drink juice. Yeah. Guys, I think he's had a little. Let's add some water so that it can be easy to blend. Yeah. Yeah. Some wara. Some wara. Are you okay? Kalibana. Yawa. Okay. You can see it now. You can see now it's blending. So it's done actually. Zima it now. It's done. This is our juice now. Yes. Let's sieve our juice. I'm sieving it because I don't want him to be biting those particles of the seeds. Yes. For someone older, you can take it like this without sieving. It's okay like that for big people like us. Yes. Yes. Ada kwa nikuletee juice. Toka mguu. Toka. Ada kwa nikuletee juice. So for a small kid, you've got to sieve it. Or if you don't want to sieve it, you remove the seeds from the avocado before blending. You remove the seeds from the avocado before blend. Sorry, not avocado. From the watermelon. Oh my God. I've been dreaming of avocado every day. Maybe today I will buy it and eat. Yeah. Guys, this is a juice. Looking yummy. Yummy and tasty. Oh my God. This is really nice. Shaky. Oh my God. Try this out and thank me later. Watermelon juice. If you are thirsty, just blend it and sugar juice. Sugar juice. So, actually my babies now they are enjoying your juice. Tamu? Itamu? Daddy? Itamu? Okay. So, guys, I have another one here. You see? This is my shoe rag. My baby actually, they were playing and then they all the shoes actually they poured all the shoes down. So I'm doing another work here, arranging all these shoes to this shoe rag. Oh my God, it's, you know, if you have kids in the house, hey, you know what I'm talking about. Oh yes, you know what I'm talking about. Not even kids. If you have a kid, eh? Kids actually take you behind. You do work, you finish, but then they feel like they think you've not what you're doing, like you are playing. Yes, they think you are playing, so they will need to take you back again, so you do another work again. It's really, really, really tiring. Tiring for me. It's tiring because I do get tired. This shoe rag, I normally arrange it every day and then. Imeisha? Okay. So, where I normally arrange, like I was saying, having a kid in the house or having children in the house is normally a lot of work. Normally is a lot of work, you know. Yes, trust me or you don't trust me, is a lot of work. My shoe rag, every day I do arrange it every day, and then I arrange it because this son of mine, well, he can mess me. He doesn't know that even me, I normally get tired. Let me just tell you guys, I have 2 kids in this house. One is my husband. My husband, every day whenever he goes to work, when he comes to this shoe rack to look for the shoes, he will pour all the shoes down. Yeah. Then for him, he does not care whether you come back, whether you arrange it or you don't arrange it. Actually, I have some shoes here for my baby when he was still small, when he was learning how to walk. Yes, but now I'm just keeping it here. I'm keeping it down here because I don't know where. Maybe one day God will bless us with another child again, you know. So the one he normally wears every time, for he loves these shoes. He loves these shoes so much, so I put it up there for him. Yes. I have the shoes actually that I have washed outside, so that's why the shoe rag is not full. So guys, I have actually arranged it. Now, in just minutes again, this is gonna be down all. Like the way the sting room is, like the way he messes the whole sting room and be like the shoes are there, the toy cars are there. Anywhere he wants to put it, he will put it. But anyways, now, see, we have work to do here. I have to wash the utensils first. Yes, today is a day to do the house chores for me. Let me first wash the utensils. First, I have to take that dustbin rubbish outside. I have the polythene bag outside my door for the dustbin. And see the juice. My son has actually liked it. It was full, you can see. Now he has taken it. Now I want even to give this to him. Let me just keep it here. When he wants, he will just drink it. Kindly, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe. And what are you still waiting for to subscribe to the channel? Just go ahead and subscribe, share, like, and comment. Yes. So this is how it turns out for yesterday's lunch. Not lunch. For yesterday's dinner. And now for lunch, just a little. Yes. So let me get to work. So let's get started. With the washing, I use the 2 dishes. You can see. One is for washing, one is for rinsing. You might be wondering why you have water in the sink and you're just... It is for economy, guys. Here, the place where I stay, the units are really expensive. 1 unit goes for 180. Yes, 1 unit goes for 180. Imagine. Unit moja ni 80 bob. Ni 180 bob Kenyan shillings. Yes. Unit moja ni 180. Uniambie sasa, you're depending on one person. Yeah. Sometimes we have to economize some things. Yes. So for me, I do it that way. I fetch water on that dish. That is for rinsing. And the downer dish for washing. So I do that quickly, okay? So kindly subscribe if you haven't. Yes, because you find that in a month you've used maybe like 3 units before. I used to use 3 units. Then I realized that there was one day we delayed actually to pay the rent, and I really felt so bad. I was like, I'm the one in the house every day. I'm the one wasting water every day. I think I have to do something. Yeah, so that's why I started using this. So, and this is how I wash my utensils. This is how I use this cutting. Yeah. I do like that because this way you will save the water. Trust me, you will save the water. But it's not something that I like doing. It's because I am not at work. So if I say to waste the water, we'll pay a lot. We'll waste many units, and then I'm just depending on my husband and the bills for the house, like everything in the house. And also his work is not that the work you get every day. Yeah, it's the work that you get today. Yeah, the household is really hard. It's really real. But one day we hope things will be well. Yeah, things will really be well. Yeah. We are almost. Oh no. I'm almost done. So now I want to remove this. How do you call this after cooking ugali? That's downer layer of ugali. How do you call that? How do you call it? In my language, it is called emodol. But I think in English it's called the downer layer. Yes, the downer layer. I remember in high school, we used to be the last people to go and get the food, so that they can give you this downer layer. It was really, this thing is really, really good. Very nice, very tasty. Try it out, and one day you will actually. Well, guys, we are done. We are done. Well, I'm done washing. If you can hear the noise, you will know somebody is watching the cartoons here. Yes. Leland, wacha kupanda hapo. Utaanguka. Utaanguka. So, when I'm done washing my plates, even my dishes, I wash them. Yes, for another day use. Yeah. Then, here we go. Maybe one day when I get the work, when I get myself to work, I will enter in some good house. Yes, but anyway, we want to thank God for everything. By the way, guys, if I tell you our story, maybe that day will come. I'll sit down and tell you our story, how it is started. Yes. Remember always when you're washing your utensils, when you're done washing, make sure you wipe your wall, because of the soap. That soap that actually drops on the hole will become the stain. Yes, so for me, I normally do that. As just simple as that. With a piece of a cloth, you're good to go. So thank you so much. That is all for today's video. Thank you so much for staying around. Kindly subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Share, like, and comment. Tell your friend to tell a friend to subscribe to the channel for more motivating videos. Thank you. I love you so much. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.